Okay, what we're going to be doing in this video is fixing the brew command not found error on a Mac. We know that brew was installed on this particular Mac. However, we created a new profile, and under that new profile, the brew commands that would normally work are not working. And that is because the bash profile does not declare a path to the actual existing brew installation, and that's what we're going to be doing here. So the first thing we want to do is let's check to see if brew is installed. I'm tapping up on the keyboard because a lot of these commands I've previously entered, you would have to type this out. So to verify whether or not you have brew installed on your Mac, you just simply visit the command line and type brew space -v, hit enter. As you can see, I'm getting the error message, brew command not found. What we want to do now is add the path to the bash profile file. And to do that, you're simply going to run this command, open space /.bash_profile, hit enter. And as you can see here, I'm being told that file does not exist. Okay, so we're going to verify that file does not exist. It's pretty obvious that it doesn't, but I'm going to go into the Finder, and I'm looking here and I don't see a bash profile file. And this path that I'm looking at in the the Mac Finder is Macintosh users quick starts. That's the directory that I'm in, and there's no bash_profile. So we're going to create one, and you do that with the following command: touch space /.bash_profile. You do that, and then we'll go back in the Finder again and look, and we actually do have the bash_profile file now. So now that we've created that file, we're going to run our open command again. As you can see, the file now opens. I'm going to paste in this bit of code. And I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it says export space path in all caps equals $path in all caps :opt/homebrew/bin. And that happens to be the path on this particular Mac to the homebrew application. And we're going to save that. Okay, I'm going to minimize this, and so that I don't have to close this session and restart it, I'm going to use another command called source, named source space /.bash_profile, and that actually refreshes the instance so that we don't have to close VSCode down and open it back up. And now that I've done that, I'm going to try to run the brew command again, and as you can see, I now have a version associated with homebrew, which means that it is installed and it is being recognized. So we didn't technically have to reinstall it, which we shouldn't have because it already existed on the Mac. All we had to do was simply add the path, create a bash profile, and then add the path to homebrew in that profile. And that's it. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.